guys, so
Like I touched shotgun.
okay, so right now I'm outside. Guess where we're going? Oh, sorry, Stella. What's Stella? Stella. Yeah. So today we're going to a car show. Mom, are you excited?
Yes.
We're. No, I'm sorry, Buick. We're not going to be riding you today. I'm sorry.
Oh, can you grab my purse then?
Your purse. Okay, I'm grabbing my mom's purse. Come on, Stella, don't be like this. She's so tiny and she made me stop. How do you do that, you adorable little dog? Come on, come on. Come on, adorable. Come on, adorable little dog. Fine, I'll let go. Oh, she needed me to let go. Wow. Wow. Wow, Stella. Wow. Alright guys, so see you when we are in the car. Guys, so I'm in the car now.
Wait, can you put this on my head? Make it the right size.
There you go.
Hey, make it the right size.
See? You're like right there, right? Here.
Thank you.
Now see.
Tight and right. Okay, now you need to put your hair up. Because this car goes crazy. Your hair goes all the way up.
I don't need it because my hair is beautiful.
Alright, Blake, put your hair in a ponytail, please.
Oh, I don't have a hair tie.
Go inside and get one. I'm very serious about this.
There's so many nice cars.
Look at the cars. I like that one. It's really pretty.
What are you doing with your nose in a phone? Give me that. You're supposed to be looking at the car.
I like the colors. I like the colors.
So do I.
I like the colors. I like the colors.
I like all of the colors.
I gotta keep going.
They're so pretty. Oh, I like that one. That one's kind of like ours. Like ours. Look at that teal car. That teal car is pretty. That blue and pink car is pretty.
Hey guys, so we are back at the gas station. We just got finished with the car show, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow.